Okay, so we're at, I think it's 524 Hillside Drive. We're up on the roof. This is the south end of the roof. You can see there's a little ponding. My zoom isn't working. It's a big area. It's maybe 100 square feet, but it's not that deep. I bet you that's probably not even 20 gallons of water. And got a little bit of ponding over on the northwest corner. But overall, the roof looks like it drains pretty well. It's a torch down roof. You got scuppers over here. There's another scupper right here. This is how the roof drains. Pretty typical way of doing things. There's a lot of grit right here with some moss growth in it. This is the sort of stuff that just washes off in the first couple of years of the life of a roof. It's to be expected. So I'm guessing this roof isn't that old. Some more grit over here. Walking around, the roof is solid. There's no flex to it. I'm not seeing any bubbles, no blisters. The joints here between the joining pieces of roof material are pretty tight. I don't see any open seams, so I think we're in pretty good shape. You do have some trees here to the west and south that might drop some leaf debris on here, but that's maybe once a year or so you have to come up here and vacuum or blow off some leaves. Over on the north chimney, the crown is metal. It's got a little bit of a sag to it, so you're getting a little bit of ponding. Again, pretty typical of these types of chimneys. Ideally, we'd have a high spot in the middle so that the water would drain off to each side. But so far so good. You'll have to keep an eye on this. Somewhere down the road you might need to replace this crown. It might corrode through. You'll have to pay attention to things like this, these nail holes. You'll have to caulk those. These transitions here between the flue and the crown, you'll have to keep those sealed to make sure the water doesn't get down inside the chimney. So that's our roof, and that's our view from the roof. Pretty nice.